What's up, everyone? This is Josh from Blackout, and today we have a really cool project in the shop. We are working on a first generation Spyker C8. It has a model name that I can't pronounce. It's like La Voilette or La Violet or something like that. So what we're doing today, the rest of the car is in really great shape, but you can see this aluminum is like an aircraft grade aluminum, and it's raw aluminum. There's no type of clear coat or anything on it. So it has a tendency to scratch up very quickly, and it's really a pain to keep clean. We are going to try to polish it out and make it look like a mirror again. So Jimmy is in the process of doing that. We're experimenting with a couple of different polishes, a couple of different pad combos, find out what's going to work the best on this. John, you want to grab some shots of that aluminum? So check this out. We just polished this back piece here. You can see the before, which is really scratched up. It's hazy, doesn't have a good reflection. And then if you look right into the middle of this piece, our experimenting is done. Now we have to polish it. It is a perfect mirror. So very happy with the results that Jimmy got on that. So we're going around the car now, just prepping the rest of it. So we're taping off all the surfaces that aren't metal. We have to wipe all this with a deoxidizer, which is acidic, so we want to make sure that that doesn't get on any of the glass, rubber, or painted surfaces of the car before we polish it. So as you can see on the C8, we got the aluminum polished to pretty much a mirror finish with some help from our friend Brett Barry at Shiny Jets in Los Angeles. He does a lot of bright work on planes, so he helped us out with some ideas for that. But the pad combo we ended up using was a microfiber towel that we cut to fit onto a foam pad, believe it or not. That was the only thing that would give us a good finish. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this.